Hello, Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to work on the last project that I started, which was rose perfume. So we've had the rose leaves fermenting in the water and the vodka for a number of weeks now. Now in my last video I did say to sit it on a warm windowsill, but that wasn't actually accurate. It was actually sitting in a shady area in a bookshelf, so it wasn't near sunlight. So let's take the lid off and see if we're happy with the scent. Whew, it smells very rosy. So what's happened is the alcohol has drawn the scent out of the petals. You can see they're sort of turned soggy and broken down a little bit. So what we do is we get ourselves a nice jar. Now I've written on this jar rose perfume, but you can attach your own label however you like, and then we pour this in through the funnel, just the liquid. You can see it's quite dark, it looks almost like coffee. So you would probably get a different colour if you used pink petals or yellow or white petals. Any scented rose should work. And as I said, you could also do this with lavender. Now, being this dark, I might actually water that down a little bit, because I feel like if I sprayed it onto something it might discolour. Now, I haven't tested that theory, but I'm just putting it out there. So there you have it, your rose perfume. You can sort of dab it on like so onto the, the wrist, as they used to do in the old days, behind the ears a little bit there. Or you could put it in a spritzer, one of those little jars with a bauble-y thing at the end, and you squeeze it and it spurts out a nice plume sort of thing. So that's just some suggestions there. Anyway, that's how to make your own rose perfume, and if you have any questions, let me know. And I'm curious as well, if you are interested in making something in particular, leave me a comment below, and if it's doable, I can see about going and making one of those videos for you. Anyway, so like, comment, subscribe, and as I said, if you have any comments, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.